Artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotics, data science are the part of AI. Actually, what is an AI? There are a lot of people, there are a lot of things that are connected towards an AI. But first, we need to understand what is AI and how you're going to utilize AI for future and what is the future of an AI in Pakistan. This is Muhammad Daud, Director Robolabs, the project of Nexskill and Odds Groups. Now, first we need to understand what is the difference between AI, machine learning, data science, and robotics. There are a lot of people who don't even know about the basic difference between AI, ML, like machine learning, data science, and robotics. So most of them consider these are all the same branch, these are all the same thing, these are all the same, but in reality, it's not. It's totally a different thing. Like artificial intelligence is, if I'm going to put a simple example, then AI is a book. Machine learning is a chapter for that book, and there are a lot of learning algorithms as well. Then data science is actually the statistical analysis of the data with the help of some kind of algorithms. And those algorithms belongs some kind of regression models, linear regression, logistic, and prediction model as well. Some activation function include in that way, like entropy, softmax, a lot more. Most of them connected with this like a sigmoid function, gradient descent, hill climb, which is also the part of an AI, A star, also an algorithm for an AI, which actually search the shortest, the path, the heuristic path. The heuristic is a part of an AI, but not machine learning. Robotics, there are a lot of algorithms for robotics, and one of the most basic algorithm for robotics is the bug algorithm. It's not that you are going to find or debug something. It's an algorithm which finds the path for robotics. Data science is actually where you can clean the data, manipulate the data, and apply of your own algorithms. That how you're gonna make algorithms and how you're gonna deploy all your prediction model, all your algorithms in that way. Now, the first question is what is the future of all these in Pakistan? Actually, this is the future for Pakistan. AI, machine learning, robotics, and data science is the future for Pakistan for next decade. Actually, the future relies on these kind of platforms nowadays. Everywhere, banking, universities, like your gaming industry, like your education, everything is totally connected with this one. Everything is totally connected to all these fields, like data science in the field of like accounts. They have a lot of algorithms which is used for the prediction. And I'm going to give you one example, that is regression models, linear and logistic regression, and there are a lot more for in it. In the field of medical diagnosis, it's an AI. There is an AI where you can predict with the help of some kind of images, some kind of CT scan, and lot more. Neural networks are gonna help in the field of AI. So it's also the psychology, the psychological stuff is also include as a part of an AI. Now, the basic concept of an AI is where you can find a search, where you can make a search. You have to find the shortest way to do your thing, shortest way to solve a problem. Actually, AI is the way to solve a problem in a linear time, in a short time. And more important for an AI is when you're going to predict for a long time. So it's an AI which gonna help in the search material, but with the collaboration of machine learning algorithms. You can predict, your model can predict, and your model can train the data, and you can predict for a longer run as well. Like business analytic, BI modeling, data, and data science models, when it combined together, then you can make a prediction for business as well. So you will call like a business analyst, data analyst, a lot more. There are a lot of names for it. Consideration of robotics. The robotics field is not a, how you're gonna make a robot. It's about how you're gonna solve something in a very short span of time. Robotics is not you're going to build a huge robot. Robotics is about algorithms. Robotics is about how you're gonna make your own product, how you're gonna start your own product, and that product, how that product will help the humanity, how that product will help the human race to save lives. So that's the robotics. So there are a lot of things that you can do in AI. It's about the passion. If you have the passion to find yourself in this field, then this field will be the future of Pakistan.